A camp school was established by the teachers for the education of flood-affected children in government primary main campus school Mehar. These children belonged to a village of Mehar taluk, which was affected by flood water. The parents of these children have come from the affected villages and are living in the primary main campus school Mehar. Their elders have nothing left. More than 200 children from different families live in this school. Some of them are less than 5 years old. Others who are of school age are those children who used to study in different classes in their village are being educated in this camp. Textbooks, notebooks and pens, pencils, etc. are provided to the children in the camp, where children are being educated. School teachers come and teach these children on daily basis. Children from 1st class to 7th class are studying in this camp. In this camp, teachers are teaching basic science, mathematics, English, Sindhi, and various subjects. IQ questions are also asked and taught. Clapping is done to encourage children to answer correctly. Prizes are also given to meritorious and intelligent children.
तालीम जो शऊर आहे उहो तमामु घटि घणी वधीक तालीम सुठा उस्ताद ॾिना वञनि सुठा जंहिंमें पंहिंजी तालीम वरिती नओं सोच तो असां वटि बाज़ाब्ता जेको असां तरीक़ेकार हिते जोड़ियो आहे उहो इहो आहे त हर रोज़ जे बुनियाद ते 2 उस्ताद हिन कैंप स्कूल में मौजूदु हूंदा पढ़ण लाइ बाक़ी अमलो त ऑफिस में सॼी जो सॼो मौजूदु आहे तक़रीबन ही मां ॿियो दफ़ो मां सम्झो त मौजूदु हिते असां पढ़ायूं था रेंडमली छाकाणि त ॿार स्पेसिफिक मुसलसल हिकिड़े तरीक़े सां त पढ़ाईअ जो सिलसिलो आहे कोन त हुन करे असां हिते फ़िलहालु जेको उनमें जेको ॿार जंहिं क्लास में पंहिंजनि ॻोठनि में स्कूलनि में क्लासनि में दाख़िल हुयो उन्हनि खे उहो ई जेको आहे क्लास में ई सबक़ु पढ़ायूं था को पहिरीं जो आहे को ॿिए जो आहे को टिएं जो आहे ऐं हुन सां लाॻापियल जेके ॿिया सब्जेक्ट आहिनि उहे पिया था।
Children come to this camp every day to study because of the best teaching methods of the teachers. The teachers here have shown national love by setting up a camp for the education of the children of the flood victims.
तक़रीबन मुंहिंजा 4 ॾाढो फ़र्क़ु आहे।
तव्हांजा घणा ॿार हिते पढ़नि था?
साईं हिते मुंहिंजा 3 ॿार पढ़नि था हिते।
अच्छा, तव्हांजे ॻोठ में कहिड़े कहिड़े क्लास में हुया तव्हांजा ॿार?
साईं हिकिड़ो मुंहिंजो छोकिरो 7वीं क्लास में पढ़ंदो, ॿियो 1वीं पढ़ंदो, ॿियो 2 पढ़ंदो।
हितां जी तालीम खे कीअं था ॾिसो?
सुठी आहे तालीम, लेकिन
काढ़ियूं